Here is the next point in the topic oscillations is energy of a particle in linear simple harmonic motion. We find here energy of particle in linear simple motion at different point. For this case, we consider a particle performing linear simple harmonic motion along the path n about its mean position O. Consider a point P situated at a distance x from the point O. Here NO or OM. NO is equal to OM is equal to A, amplitude of the particle from the mean position. M is the mass of the particle. M is equal to mass of particle. Then velocity of particle at a distance x from mean position at point P is given by x is equal to A into sine of omega t plus phi. This is the displacement of particle. Also, velocity of particle at point P is given by v is equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. That is at a distance x. Therefore, v square is equal to omega square into a square minus x square. Then energy of particle or kinetic energy of particle is given by Ke is equal to 1 by 2m into v square. Substitute this value. Therefore, v square is equal kinetic energy is equal to Ke is equal to 1 by 2m I. Thus, v square means what? Velocity is equal to omega square a square minus x square. But K is equal to omega square is equal to K by m. But K is equal omega square is equal to K by m. Hence, m is equal to we write K is equal to m into omega square. K is equal to m into omega square. Therefore, this equation also written as kinetic energy is equal to Ke is equal to 1 by 2 K into a square minus x square. This is the formula for kinetic energy of particle in linear simple harmonic motion. हा फॉर्म्युला आपला कायनेटिक एनर्जीचा मिळतो. आणखी दुसऱ्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करता येतो. फ्रॉम डिस्प्लेसमेंट x we have to take derivative of this dx by dt, that is equal to v. Velocity is equal to dx by dt लिहिता येतं. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट याचं डिस्प्लेसमेंटचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह a into omega into cos of omega t plus phi असं लिहिता येईल. म्हणून दोन्ही बाजूचा वर्ग केला. v square is equal to a square into omega square cos square omega t plus phi असंही लिहिता येईल. मग कायनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू Ke इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2m into v square. v square means a square omega square cos square omega t plus phi. Here m into omega square is equal to k असंही लिहिता येईल. आणि याच्या पुढले इक्वेशन कायनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2m into k into cos square omega t plus phi. This is also called as the kinetic energy of particle in linear simple harmonic motion. हे दोन फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला अतिशय महत्त्वाचे आहेत. हा एक फॉर्म्युला आणि हा दोन फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला महत्त्वाचे आहेत. याचा पुढचा भाग आपण घेऊया. पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल इन लिनियर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी of a particle in linear simple harmonic motion, kinetic energy is equal to इथं लिहून ठेवूया 1 by 2m 1 by 2k into a square minus x square. कायनेटिक एनर्जीचा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला या पद्धतीने इथं लिहिता आला, तो दुसऱ्या पद्धतीने लिहिला. आता पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करूया. पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल. Consider a particle P situated at a distance x from the point O. M is the mass of the particle. आपण या ठिकाणी घेतलेला आहे. आता आपल्याला पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. That is particle moving which is at point P. Displacement of particle is equal to x. Then the force acting on the particle is given by F is equal to minus k into x. That is, when particle displaced from mean position, at that time force acting on the particle in opposite direction. Therefore, F is equal to minus k into x. This is the value for force. Negative sign indicates that force and displacement are oppositely direction. This force is called as the restoring force. असंही त्याला म्हटलं जातं. Suppose that the particle which is displaces a very small distance or infinitesimal distance dx against the direction of force. थोडंसं अंतर पार्टिकल पुढे डिस्प्लेस केला dx एवढं against the direction of force, then work must be done or work done on the particle is given by work done dw is equal to work done is equal to force into displacement of particle. Therefore, dw work done is equal to force is equal to minus k into x and displacement is equal to minus dx. Force and displacement are oppositely directed. Displacement हे कोणाच्या विरुद्ध? फोर्सच्या. Therefore, work done is equal to kx into dx. हा फॉर्म्युला मिळतो आपल्याला. एवढे वर्क डन एवढे छोटंसं डिस्प्लेसमेंट करायला आपल्याला लागेल. देन टोटल वर्क डन टू डिस्प्लेस द पार्टिकल फ्रॉम पॉइंट O to P can be calculated by integrating this equation. Integration dw is equal to integration kx into dx. Integration dw is equal to w which is k constant integration x into dx x square divided by 2. Therefore, W is equal to work done is equal to 1 by 2 into k into x square. हे असं पण लिहिता येईल. ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू k by m म्हणून k is equal to m into ओमेगा स्क्वेअर. W is equal to 1 by 2 k म्हणजे m into ओमेगा स्क्वेअर into x square. But work done is nothing but potential energy. Therefore, potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m into omega square x square. This is the formula for potential energy of a particle in linear simple harmonic motion. हा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला या ठिकाणी मिळतो. आणखी वेगळ्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला लिहिता येईल. हा फॉर्म्युला वेगळ्या पद्धतीने लिहिता येईल. कसं? पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 m into ओमेगा स्क्वेअर आहे तसं लिहूया. आणि x स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय? डिस्प्लेसमेंट. x इज इक्वल टू a इंटू साइन ऑफ ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. याचा वर्ग घेऊया. याचा वर्ग घेतला तर a स्क्वेअर इंटू साइन स्क्वेअर ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. असं पण आपल्याला पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी इथं k ठेवता येईल. m इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू k. Pg इज इक्वल टू k इंटू a स्क्वेअर साइन स्क्वेअर ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. This is the also we write the next formula for potential energy. हा potential energy चा formula मिळाला. Now we find the total energy of particle in linear simple harmonic motion. Total energy आपण काय करूया? Find out करूया. Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. हा पोटेन्शियल एनर्जीचा फॉर्म्युला, हा कायनेटिक एनर्जीचा फॉर्म्युला. टोटल एनर्जी कॅन बी रिटन ॲज E इज इक्वल टू और TE इज इक्वल टू KE प्लस PE. झालं. सबस्टिट्यूट द व्हॅल्यू फॉर कायनेटिक एनर्जी अँड पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. देअरफॉर टोटल एनर्जी E इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 k into a square minus x square plus potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 k into x square. Here 1 by 2 k into bracket a square minus x square plus x square. X get cancelled, therefore total energy is equal to 1 by 2 k into a square, or E is equal to 1 by 2 k means m into omega square a square. This value gives the total energy of particle in linear simple harmonic motion. याच्या साहाय्याने, या सूत्राच्या साहाय्याने टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल इन लिनियर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन मध्ये फाइंड आउट करता येते. आता याचा पुढचा भाग आपण घेऊया. बट ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू 2 pi f, where f is the frequency. Substitute this value in this equation, that is omega square is equal to 4 pi square f square. f frequency, इथे n घेतलं तरी स्मॉल n घेतलं तरी चालेल. Therefore total energy is equal to 1 by 2 m into omega square 4 pi square f square into a square. दोन get cancel, इथं 2 cancel. E is equal to 2m into pi square into f square into a square. From this equation it is clear that m is the mass of particle, f is the frequency, a is the amplitude. Thus from this equation it is clear that the total energy of particle in linear simple harmonic motion is directly proportional to mass of particle. Pahila point. E is directly proportional to mass of particle. दूसरा point, E is directly proportional to square of frequency f square. And तीसरा या ठिकाणी point, total energy of particle in linear simple harmonic motion is directly proportional to square of amplitude of the particle. आणखी असं लिहिता येतं, frequency is equal to f is equal to 1 by t, f square is equal to 1 by t square. ही जर किंमत इथं ठेवली तर पुढचा फॉर्म्युला असा लिहिता येईल आपल्याला, E is equal to 2m pi square 1 by t square into a square. Also from this equation total energy of particle is inversely proportional to square of period of particle. Thus total energy in the linear simple harmonic motion proportional to m, proportional to square of frequency, proportional to square of amplitude, and inversely proportional to square of period of particle.